Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Christmas light makeup tutorial because Vlogmas is just Saturday. So I will be doing my Vlogmas Saturday, so I thought I'd do a Christmassy makeup tutorial. If you want to see more like this, then definitely let me know in the comment section below what Christmas type of makeup you would like to see next. So if you want to know how I got this, so the first thing I'm going to do is the light bulbs, and I'm using my Revolution Pro SFX face paint palette. And then these are the colours that I'm using. So I'm going to start off doing the light bulbs and then go from there. So we're going to start from here and then around. So we're going to start with this red. And we're just going to draw like a triangle. There. We're going to do another one down here. Then we're going to go in with a green with the same brush. And then one down here. Then we're going to move on to an orange. On the forehead. So far. So now I took one of my eyebrows off and we are going to go in with a red. And just draw on the eyebrow. And then a bit at the end. Like so. Now we're going to do the fun part, which is draw the wire. So again, going in my liquid eyeliner, and we're just going to match it up. Like so. And you can always touch up afterwards. So this is the finished touch. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I know it wasn't a lot. But if you did, give this big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below. And again, if you want to see more of these Christmas makeup tutorials, definitely let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. And I will see you Saturday for Vlogmas. So see you soon.